guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. And in this video we will be unboxing the GoPro Hero8 Black. So let's just get right into it. So it's a little pull out hole, and this is how it looks. You've got to untie it from the little stand, and there it is. Already it has a built-in. If you want to put it on a tripod, you wouldn't need to buy a case, and if you don't need tripod, you just put it down like that, so it's all flat. And also there's a little tripod here. You can stick it on the tripod. It's a little stand, the GoPro, and let's see what's inside. Oh, technical. So inside we have battery, the cable, and stand as well. You can put it on the stand. I'm not really well found, but yeah, you can put it on the stand. And that's what's in the GoPro when you buy the GoPro. Also, I bought some accessories that I can recommend to you for my GoPro and for vlogging as well. I have a micro SD card, 128 gigabytes. Also, I have screen protectors for the two screens and the lens, so I won't be afraid of cracking it that easily. But I'm not gonna unbox this because you know what a screen protector is. I have also a vlog cage, which in my opinion is very convenient for me, as I would be probably vlogging mostly on the GoPro, and I think this is very nice cage, as it's built out of aluminium alloy and can mount a microphone and a mini LED light. Can also have a 52mm filter adapter. It has it there, right there in front of the lens, and can charge without even having to take off the cage. Right here, you can just take this off, and it also has other stuff where you can just put the GoPro secure in it. I also got myself a duo battery charger plus an extra battery that comes with it, and there's the extra battery for the GoPro. There's a little cable that's the same as the GoPro cable, little instructions on how to do it, and the duo charging is here. You can charge both battery at a time. Where you plug it is right here. Also, I got myself a hand grip. I think this is very convenient, as also it can be attached to your wrist, so You can use it while swimming. You won't lose the GoPro anywhere if you drop it by accident, as it will be attached to your wrist, and you won't be that afraid of dropping it, as you have a secure grip on your wrist that will prevent your GoPro from smashing to the floor. It has a very secure grip, and this is foam, so it's very comfortable to grip on. Also, I bought another grip, but it's an extension pole. And looks like this. I think this is very convenient as it spreads out into a tripod, and it can be extended up, not too high but not too low either, and it can be either as a little pole hand grip or as a little tripod. And I find this very convenient if you want to hold it and then place it down somewhere. But also I have lenses for the cage, and the first lenses we will be looking at are the UV CPL and FLD. The first one is the UV, and the UV adds distant detail and provides additional benefits of correction. And then we have the FLD, I'm pretty sure this is, yes, the FLD, and corrects green cast that appears when shooting. Also, we have the CPL that can remove reflection and can also add contrast to blue sky and waters. I also have 4 other ones, which are the ND filters, and what those ND filters do is they reduce light without affecting the color, but they also provide quality by introducing natural motion blur, and they come with a wipe and a cleaning pen for the filters. And the filters are in here. There is ND2, ND4, ND8 and ND16. ND2 reduces exposure by 1 stop, and ND4 reduces exposure by 2 stops, and ND8 by 3, and ND16 by 4. And that's all I've got for my GoPro. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you stay for the review. That's probably later on in the week. I'll give you an honest review after I've tested the product out for myself, outdoors, indoors, underwater maybe, I'm not sure, but yes, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.